Office organization ideas. Tips from the OG office guy. Most of us want to be organized when we are working at the office or our home office. In this video I am going to give you some organizational items to help you along your journey. What's up everyone, I am the OG office guy. My name is Joe Fieser and I have been in the office products industry for 36 years. Before we jump into the video, I need to take care of a little business. If you are new to the OG channel and like the content we produce, please hit the subscribe button. Also, click on the bell if you would like to receive notifications when we put out new content. And one last thing, if you like this video, please hit the like button to help this channel grow. Patrick Holford says, it takes 3 weeks to break a habit, 6 weeks to develop a new habit and 36 weeks to hardwire this new habit. So staying more organized will help you along the way. Paper is the most common source of office clutter. The very first thing I like to recommend to keep paper organized is a wire organizer. There are many different options on the market, but to keep it simple I like the Fellows Wire Organizer number FEL 68112. You can see it is a 7-section and holds both letter and legal size files. The diagonal corner design makes it easier to access your files. It is extra sturdy black wire design with rubber protective feet. You can also use this in combination with the Fellows Wire Desk Tray Organizer number FEL 60112. You can be creative when using the SMED 3-in-1 SuperTab section folders. These letter size 1/3 cut oversized tab folders are great to use in your wire organizer. They come in a pack of 12 and there are 4 colors to help you organize by color. The 3 interior pockets safely hold your important paperwork and documents. Some people will use a variation of all 3 of these products for a mailing or shipping section of your home office. You can also include this universal black mesh 3-pocket hanging wall file in your mail area, or you can use it to sort and organize your own mail. I like to keep bills and invoices in these that need to be paid, but you can use it however you see fit. The model number is UNV20011 and this contemporary design fits perfectly in any office decor. Keep your desktop clutter-free. The Fellows Wire desk trays that I mentioned earlier are a great way to keep papers from getting cluttered on your desktop. If you are working with a tight budget, you can use the black recycled OfficeMate stack trays that come in a pack of 6. These will work fine, but just to be transparent, the quality is just okay. If you would like something nicer and your budget allows, I would recommend the Safeco Onyx 3-section mesh desk tray. Item number SAF3271BL. This pack of 3 trays are sturdy mesh with a durable powder coat finish that will meet your organization needs. There are several versions of expandable file pockets on the market, but here are a few OG top picks that work very well. How you are going to use them would be the deciding factor on which one to purchase. I use them to keep my quotes in. I have one that I keep furniture drawings that I am currently working on in, and I also use one that I keep receipts in. My favorite one is the Pendaflex number PFX02327, sliding cover expanding file. It has a 4-inch expansion and 13 sections that have 1/6 cut tabs. It is black in color and letter size. It is made out of super durable poly construction and is wear, tear and moisture resistant. SMED also makes a step index organizer that has 12 sections. This one is also letter size, black or blue, and has 1/6 cut tabs. The number is SMD70901 for the black unit and the number for the blue unit is SMD70902. I like to use this one to keep my taxes in because it comes with A to Z, monthly and blank tabs. This one is also made from a durable poly material. There are several other versions made from a few different manufacturers, and if you are interested in any of these, leave me a comment below and I can get you more information about them. Storage. If you don't already have a file cabinet, this would be my number 1 item that I would consider purchasing, especially if your budget allows. Let me just say, not all file cabinets are created equal. Let me repeat that, not all file cabinets are created equal. You can buy inexpensive file cabinets at a box store or even some of the big chain stores, but the issue is that most people are not aware of is the inexpensive file cabinets do not have full suspension drawers, which means that the drawer does not pull out all the way. You are left with about a 1/3 of the drawer that you can't use. More importantly, these types of cabinets are prone to tipping forward if they have too much weight in them. Just another tip from your Uncle OG. Like I said, if your budget allows, spend the money on a decent file cabinet that has full suspension drawers and high sides on the drawers so you can drop hanging folders right down in them. The OG recommended cabinet is the Alera 2-drawer 25-inch deep cabinet. You can't go wrong with this cabinet, and it comes in black or putty color. You can then color coordinate your folders if you wish, or just go with the standard green hanging folders and manila colored file folders. There are plenty of options available to meet your needs. The one thing I would recommend, especially if you are using manila folders, are colored file folder labels. Anytime you can add color to help your eye recognize it belongs with the category of your choice, it is so much easier to find. Let's talk wall storage. There are many different options, and again, this all comes down to what your budget allows. The OG Office Guy has a bunch of options, but most of them are for the office setting. If you work from your home office, I do have a few choices for you, and I will put all the links below in the description. Let's start off with the Bush Furniture Key West 2-drawer lateral file cabinet. This is available in two colors, washed gray and Bing cherry. This file does come with full extension ball bearing slides and can accommodate letter or legal size filing. It is made from engineered wood and assembly as required. If your home office is a more traditional look, then you may like the Devaise 2-drawer wood lateral file with the anti-tilt mechanism. This unit is available in four colors: gray oak, black, charcoal black and walnut. This file would also require assembly. For the home office, I like the Tribesigns 2-drawer lateral file cabinet. Letter size modern filing cabinet printer stand with the open storage shelves. This is a nice combination of the wood and metal look. The unit is available in two colors, vintage brown and black. Create versatile storage options without having to sacrifice the beautiful style you love. This unit is made of high-quality particle board and heavy-duty steel frame. You will also need to assemble this unit. If space is an issue in your home office, no problem. Check out the large file cabinet with lock and drawer made by Tribesigns. This modern mobile lateral filing cabinet printer stand features both letter and legal size filing, storage shelves, and is mobile. This multifunctional cabinet is available in both black and white. You will need to assemble. Just make sure you look at all of your options available to meet your budget and space. I am not affiliated with IKEA, but they also have some great choices as well. I wanted to briefly touch on your desk. Whether it is for your home office or at your workplace, the trend is moving towards the sit-to-stand desks. Again, there are many different options and many different price points. I really would like to caution you because this is very important. If you take anything from this video, this should be it. You get what you pay for. If you purchase an inexpensive unit, it will not last you and you will have to end up purchasing another one, so why not just spend a little more the first time and get a unit that will last you? I have many different options available, but the one I would like to talk about today is the Hun 2-stage adjustable height base. With the push of a button, you can choose the height that is best for you. This base, combined with a Hun foundation work surface in the size of your choice, is a perfect setup for the home or workplace. I will caution you that these are not cheap, but well worth the money if your budget can handle it. This is a tank and will last you a very long time, but is also backed by Hun's limited 5-year warranty. If you are interested in the Hun sit-to-stand desk or any of these products in this video, fill out my new customer form. The link is in the description and I will get back to you and we can discuss your options. If a sit-to-stand desk is not what you are looking for, check out the link above for my video on the Hun Basics Manager Series desk. This is a great option for any office space. One more item I think is important to keep your office clutter-free is a paper shredder. I know I have stressed this many times in this video, but you get what you pay for, especially if the product has moving pieces. You can find paper shredders for $20, but I would be careful. I would recommend getting a unit that has cross-cut shredding. The OG recommendation for a home office is the Universal 8-sheet cross-cut shredder. This unit features a 2-minute continuous runtime and has a 3.3-gallon self-contained bin. If you were going to use this all day long, it would not last, but for a home office setting it is the perfect shredder. Let's talk organizational bins before we wrap this video up. Again, you have many options available. You can even purchase some of these items at the dollar store. I would recommend the Deflecto brand as they have some great options to fit anyone's needs. Let's take a quick look. Stackable storage cubes available in 2 or 4 drawer. All-in-one desktop caddy. Multi-bin storage. Stackable cubes. Tilt, 4-bin organizer. Any of these products would be great choices to help get your office more organized. Let's all work harder to get in the habit of being more organized and keeping our workspace clutter-free. If you do this, it should help make your life just a little more stress-free. I am the OG office guy. Thanks for watching.